So excited. While this new Illustrated Faith kit was delayed this month, it got to my house so much sooner than I thought it would. So some of you may already have ordered this. Others of you were waiting to see a sneak peek or a walkthrough. I do have an affiliate link in my profile, so if you use that, my commission I put towards supplies for local meetups for new Bible journalers. So I appreciate whenever you can use shopping my Dayspring links. I will put all of the links to supplies as well as this new January devotional kit below and in my profile. This kit is called Goals, and while this year I probably will choose a word, I made the choice to wait and to use the whole month of January to figure out what I wanted my priorities to be. I was at a mom's group yesterday and one of my friends said, you know, I'm kind of a New Year's Scrooge. I don't like to set resolutions. But when she started to talk about it, what I realized was she actually does reevaluate priorities, look back at her last year and her goals, and she just sees it as a continuation of things she was already working on. And I loved that idea. So here's what I'm doing in the month of January. I will be working through this kit and these awesome 8 devotional cards. This time there are 8 content cards: wisdom goals, hope goals, prayer goals, home goals. Look at this fun watercolor, and the color scheme is just so pretty. The balloons all over these cards I love because I can see them being drawn in and on the margins of my Bible. Faith goals, kindness goals. There's the watercolor again, so pretty. Peace goals, which actually this may be my word, sneak peek of my year. You talk about a sneak peek, I'm giving you a little insight. Don't know for sure, but I'm excited to dive into that. And health goals. And one of the things I love about these cards this month is that they have devotional content to get you thinking, some sort of action points or questions and scriptures on each of the 8 cards. They also are numerated so you can know what order to do them in, which I always think is quite interesting how they tend to stack on themselves. So 3, 4, all the way 7, faith of a mustard seed on faith goals. I'm so excited to dive into this content. And I'm going to be doing this in my Bible. I know there's lots of people who create other things. I may use the extras in my planner because I think that's kind of a neat way to use the idea of goals. And then these diamond tip-ins, I just think this new shape is just adorable. I think it also creates a real point of interest on your page. And I don't know that I even showed them to you. Where did they go off to? There is a set of acrylic stamps. And the acrylic stamps have this awesome little diamond shape. Think about like diamond in the rough or becoming a diamond. So fun. So this one, it's a journey of faith. Oh, the power of prayer with the fun grid on the back. He's a generous God. I like that grid this month. I think that's going to be fun to explore. God is doing a new thing with watercolor. These sort of angular one that says, He makes my path straight. Every morning, mercies new. I love that because one of my devotionals I do is called New Morning Mercies. I'm really excited. I can see introducing a little bit of gold paint to these pages with these fun, cheery colors. And then the 2 pads of stickers have keywords and some diamonds. The hashtag this month is #IF_goals. And so you can follow along on social media. The second pad of stickers here has larger hearts, smaller hearts, some banners and arrows. I just see some awesome potential with this kit. So I hope, I'm gonna show you one last component. One-handed filming here is the adorable washi tape, hopes and dreams. So I hope you'll stay tuned this month while I journal through the goals kit, and we can be on this journey through the month of January, what remains of it, figuring out what 2018 will look like. Don't forget to use my affiliate links, and all of my commission goes right straight back into local meetups for Pacific Northwest Bible journaling and helps new Bible journalers and regulars try new supplies. So thanks for using that link. Can't wait to see what you make of this kit. Bye from Inspiration Clothesline.